Hey you guys, welcome again here at Kuda Tech. This is Kuda and I'm here again. I'm going to show you if this all-in-one PC or all-in-one desktop, the model of this one all-in-one desktop is ET220i. I'm going to show you if this all-in-one is upgradable. Okay, I'm going to shut it down.
Pwede ko pong bigyan ng JBL headset si ma'am o kaya mouse po.
Alright, I'm going to show you how to disassemble. Alright, it's kind of magic. It's already disassembled. Take a look. It's already tear apart. But since it's already open, I'm going to show you on how can you upgrade your all-in-one desktop. Here's the drive bay for the hard drive, 3.5, but you can change your hard drive into SSD like this one, solid state drive Kingston. And then there's a screw on the bracket so that the SSD won't come out. And you can put at least maximum 1 terabyte SSD here. And about the RAM, you can put maximum of 8 gigabyte of RAM here. You can put 4 gig to 4 gig so that it will total of 8 gigabyte. And then I'm going to explore the parts of the all-in-one. This one on the top. Alright, okay, first on the top. This one is the camera. Yes. When I flip here, this is the bracket for the camera, and then this one is the heatsink, and then the one for the processor. Also here the heatsink. This one is the processor. Okay. This one is the USB keyboard. USB extension for the USB 3.0. Also the audio jack and micro SD, and the memory. The Wi-Fi module, the extra for another Wi-Fi module, or the other expansion, and this one for the USB 3.0, 2.0 LAN port, also the 2 HDMI. This one is HDMI output, and this one is HDMI input and output. And here's the CD-ROM. It has built-in CD-ROM. And the built-in speaker. This one is a speaker. Yeah. It's easily how to open. You can only remove the screw here. I don't have the video file for the unscrewing, but you can easily pull the cover and then remove the stand, like this one here, stand. Here's the lot of screw. Much better you have prepared of the screwdriver. And that's all. If you have any question, you can drop a comment. If I have time, I will answer the comment. But for the meantime, I'm also busy here fixing the computers. Alright guys, goodbye.